guys, welcome back to the video. Today I have this special cinnamon one. Here's the cake. Now this is that blind bag. Look at all of these. Guys, look at all of these. You know what these? Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at all of these. We got cinnamon. We got milk. Is this milk? And we have a Slay King. He's wearing a crown. And then this is the princess and this is the king. King princess. And then, who's this again? Guys, I know their name, but I don't remember. And then this, I think this is... So, we're gonna be unboxing the unicorn and also this one. The mushroom one. Sorry. I can remember this. Now to open this first. I didn't even get prepared to do that. So guys, I'm back wearing this cutest headband. Okay. Now let's start.
Yung mga dalawang bata sumusunod sa inyo na kayo dalawa yung pinakamatanda. Hindi ko pagagalitan si Letek kasi bata yung mga yung bata. Sino kasi nagalit ako? Kasi alam ko naman alam yung harap niya. Oo. Sabi ko, sumusunod sa inyo yung mga bata. Dito kayo na ito. Nagsusunod sa akin.
Hindi ko kasi na basta napansin ko na kapagin natin. Tapos kinukulit nila. Pero alam ko na yun, parang may plano sila. Pero hindi ko man kung masasaktan nila o ano. Pero kasi yung paglinod ko sa pwede. Ay, sinipa, sige. Pero hindi ko maano kung sinipit. Nagkatinginan kami. Siguro parang siya. Kaya sabi ko, maya-maya, umiyak na. Sabi ko, paano na? Ano na nangyari? Hindi ko na Kasi nga,
okay,
siyempre, kukulitan, alam ko. Lalaban siya. Pero hindi ko.
I forgot.
Kasi nga yung mga nagalagay mo.
Guys, I checked. This was not figured. But let's get stand. Okay, next is the place. Cinnamon. Open this up.
Kasi kinulit nila ng kinulit ko sa lumabas eh. Doon ako nakita eh. Ayaw ko iyakin lang. Tapos ko iyakin lang.
And then we go. Now he is baking. Now he goes with milk. For the baby, it's time for the unicorn ones. Why is this one so
Kasi
good?
kahit si Lucas at susunod sa nanay niya, inaaway siya. Nakikita ko naman, nananakit, sinasaktan niya si Lucas. Hindi na ako nagsasalita. Nakita ko, kasi pag nadadaan ako, sinasaktan. Talagang iinom na si Lucas. Naglalaban din naman si Lucas.
Okay, for the unicorn.
Pero hindi mo nilalaban. Hindi mo nilalaban kasi
Comment down below who's your favorite.
Ayaw kong umuwi kasi inaaway ko na natin. Ayaw niya umuwi dito. Kasi masabi niya, sabi ko yung Esa. At sinasok ko na gawin ko yung kasi nasobusin ko na siya.
Kasi iba yung nananakit ka lang namin. Yung makulang na kayo. Hindi ko saan na.
Kasi hindi talagang nanan. Kaya
sabihin ko naman. Kaya ako hindi ko naman maano kasi hindi ko naman madedepend
niya kasi. Dito, kaya ako pinagbabawala ko yung maya kasi sa
Okay, now we have this one that I read. I do know the name, but I don't remember. Next up is Sagrada Cinema. Just look at this happy story. Comment below which one is your favorite.
Sa bahay na. Pero sa iba,
Comment Cinema if you like to comment. Wait for tomorrow if you don't like them.
kasi tumitingin siya ayos na.
Okay. Why did this start to
ano sabi ko kasi sa Manila, hindi naman ang pagkagan, yung dalawang bata sumusunod lang yan sa inyo, hindi naman yung mga yun ang mag-i-decide eh, kayo naman eh, pwede nyo naman sabihin, pag
This dog?
yung dalawa, pwede nyo naman pagsabihin,
Okay,
wag.
the Cinemaral family is completed.
Nak, did you hurt Kuya Jaden?
Just a push lang. A little push lang.
Kuya Jaden is hurt.
Who taught you to do that?
At the tennis first. And Kokay.
Push.
Push Kuya Jaden nila.
Say sorry to Kuya. Kuya Jaden. Come on.
Yung videoing ko.
Sige, after your video.
Oh, ba't sa lahat ng sino mo?
Okay. And we have only one left. This is, you know what this is? Mocha! Let's unwrap this baby on. I'm so excited. And the last final one. How many is that? Okay.
Dapat
Get
you show
rid
it to
of
the
this.
camera. Show everything sa camera.
And then oh, they can all. Wait, what's this? Wow. How many is this? I have so many of them. Wait. Oh, so this is like oh. Wow, nice. Wait, okay. First up is this now and this and then this one. Switzerland. Okay, so this is the crew now. Okay. First is the unicorn that my mama already showed. This is Cinnamoroll as a king. This is just keep in the mind. Okay, I don't know who this is, but I know their name, but I don't remember. Okay, this is Cinnamarol. Again, this is milk. This is kind of coffee. Is this coffee or turmeric? Okay, I know his name again, but I don't remember. Wait. And this is mocha. And this is what's this one? I don't know. So this is the cream. Let's see. If you're asking me how many of them is, then it's probably I think it's 8. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay guys, let's put them back into their own basket. Okay, we put this over here. And then see you guys in the next video.